Hi, I'm Andy, the trend follower. It's Saturday, the 21st of April 2023. Welcome to this week's review of the different asset classes. I don't know which asset classes are going to do best, so I follow 7 of them. Shares, property, gold, commodities, cryptocurrency, bonds and foreign exchange. Let's have a look at shares. First of all, and a further fall for my shares fund this week, but I'm in cash anyway because the price is below the green line, the 52-week moving average, the MA52. So I'm not worried about it falling further. Hopefully it'll mean that when I invest in the future, I'll be buying it back at a lower price than when I sold it. It's unlike the Nasdaq, where I am invested in the Nasdaq. You can see why it came up above the MA52 here, and it fell very slightly this week, but it's still above the MA52, so I'm staying invested in the Nasdaq. So this is the US Tech Index. Let's have a look at property now, and the property fund that I follow rose a little bit this week, but it too remains below the MA52, so I'm in cash, although I do have a modest long position as I'm doing what is despised by trend followers. I'm attempting to catch a falling knife. A couple of weeks ago I did a little video which explained why I think the worst is behind us with the property fund, and I think it's rising from a low, but I might be wrong on this, so we shall see. Let's have a look at gold next, and a further fall in the price of gold in British pounds this week, but it's above its MA52, so I'll stay invested in gold. Commodities is up next, and the commodities fund that I follow fell significantly this week, probably because the oil price dropped right back. But I'm in cash, so I don't worry too much because, again, if it keeps falling, I'll be able to buy it back at a lower price in due course. I'm in cash because it fell below the MA52 a few weeks ago. Cryptocurrency is up next, and my crypto proxy closed below the MA52. You can see that here. I talked last week how it had risen above. This week it's fallen down below. But I'll stay long, I think, as long as Bitcoin is above its MA52, which it is. You can see that here. I hope I don't regret this. We shall see in due course. Let's look at bonds now, and I'm in cash here as I had a sell signal a week ago. I had gone long, but I had sell signal a week ago. The long signal a few weeks ago was a false one because it fell back down again. And this week my bond fund has fallen further, so I'm very happy that I am in cash. Let's have a look at Forex next, and the euro dollar price specifically. The euro USD continues to rise. Look at this. So I'm staying along. Now, what's also interesting is that the MA52, the green line here, you can see is starting to turn up. So that's good news as well. So reinforcing the support for the euro against the US dollar. Obviously, when I went long here, the MA52 was falling, so either I had to have a stop loss below the MA52, which I would then move back down, which would something I don't like to do. I'm much keener to have a fixed price stop loss, which then I start to reel in as the MA52 rises. So interesting to see the moving average rising a little bit now. Let's have a look at the traffic lights for each of the asset classes this week, and my shares fund is on a red, so I'm in cash. Property remains a red. I'm in cash here too. Gold is green, so I'm invested in gold. Commodities are on a red, so I'm in cash in this sector. Crypto is still green, although my crypto proxy is technically red. I'm going to keep hold of that position, stay long for the time being. Bonds are red, so I'm in cash here. The euro against the US dollar is green, so I'm long the euro against the US dollar. What do I have to do this week? Well, just move my stop loss orders up a little bit, and I can stress about my crypto proxy plan. It's kind of going the wrong way at the moment, but I'm hoping it will turn around. Hopefully that will vindicate my decision. Do you want to see a weekly update about what I do? Then make sure you're signed up to my Substack. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is just about what I do. It's not advice. It's all about me. I make no claim about how this strategy might perform for me in the future, or indeed for anybody else. And if you copy me, you might end up living in a cardboard box. Regard this as entertainment, like gambling, and we should always be grateful for our good fortune and remember that it is really lucky that we're in the right place at the right time. We should help our fellow men and women, give some money to the poor refugees from Ukraine via the UNHCR helpline. Hope you have a great week. I'll do another video for you next weekend. Thanks for watching and bye for now.